show, Cooking with the Powells. Welcome to Hillcrest Cooking Channel, Cooking with the Powells. Today we will be making Ritz cookies. Okay, so we've heated our oven to 375, and now let's get started. So combine the butter, which you need 2 sticks of butter. It's a lot of butter, and when you do the butter, it's going to not be as easy because the butter's staying at room temperature. Okay, and we're also going to add sugar, which Coco has something to say about the sugar.
It's more sugar than flour.
Yes, it's more sugar than flour in this. Okay, so now we're going to mix this together until it's well combined.
The butter looks fancy now.
It's a lot of butter.
No. Come on, butter. Give me a smooth out.
So we're going to make this butter mixture here well combined with the sugar, so it doesn't look like we have spots of butter all around. So now we are going to add our 1 egg.
This is our butter mixture. If it's not melted and it's not like you can combine it, you can put it in the microwave for like a couple seconds.
Yeah, like 10, 15 seconds.
10, 15.
Okay, so that's our 1 egg, and we're gonna mix that together with the rest of our butter mixture, with the butter mixture. So we want this to be combined so it doesn't look like eggy, too eggy. But it can look a little eggy, but not too eggy.
Looks like butter.
Okay, I think now we can add, so now let's add our flour.
Flour, you go in now.
Flour. And then our milk powder.
Milky powder.
And then our salt.
Salty, go in. Come on, salt. Salt's always like this. Come on, salty. Come out.
Okay, and then we'll add our baking powder.
Baking powder, which smell like baking powder. This one.
Baking powder. And then our baking soda.
Oh, I thought that backwards. Okay.
And then we're going to mix that all together. Okay, so now it is time for us to crush up our Ritz crackers. Now, you don't want too much cracker dust, but you can have a little, but not too much of it.
Little cracker dust.
That's when you crush them like you just did, and you get extra stuff.
Oh.
But you don't need them crushed too much, but you still need them crushed a little, so it isn't like you're just putting a Ritz cracker inside. Cookie.
That's funny. If you say it that way, I don't know why you can't have those little pieces. That's how you crush stuff.
Yeah. So we're gonna crush these together.
Crushing. Like crushing. Crush.
This is a lot of crushing. So this is 2.5 cups of Ritz crackers here.
Yum.
Which is more like a sleeve and 5 crackers, but 2.5 cups if you don't have it in sleeves.
Yes, like we did.
Okay, so now we've put our cookies in little balls, and Coco is going to do, what's her fork?
I'm gonna wet the fork in wet water, and you're gonna carefully, not too much, push it down both ways to make a little fork design. And then pinch of salt.
A little salt.
A pinch of salt.
And you do that on all of the cookies. So we put our cookies in for about 11 or 12 minutes, and we use parchment paper to make them more chewy. So now let's try.
Finally.
Mmm. Very yummy. The Ritz crackers taste really good with it.
What? That's how yummy it is.
Yeah.
It's nice and hot.
Mm-hmm.
And one thing about it is you don't cool it on a cooling rack.
Yeah, you eat it
Eat them
immediately.
immediately.